Hello, my name is Atif and I welcome you to Base2's FastAPI-AsyncIO Foundation Course. FastAPI likely needs no introduction to many of you. It is known for its scalability and exceptional performance under heavy production loads. FastAPI achieves this on a strong modular foundation that consists of several key components. FastAPI is purely an ASGI web framework. It extends upon Starlet, which is a lightweight ASGI framework. We will get into the details of ASGI later in this course, but for now, ASGI is a specification for asynchronous Python servers and applications, but it is also backward compatible with WSGI. This means that FastAPI inherently supports both synchronous and asynchronous implementations. However, it takes an async first approach, and its real strength lies in async operations. For high concurrency APIs, it supports both Python's standard library AsyncIO and an alternative async library Trio. Nonetheless, AsyncIO remains the more widely used option. FastAPI employs Pydantic for data validation and serialization, while it auto-generates OpenAI or Swagger and redoc documentation for your APIs based on the defined routes, request bodies, and response models. You can access the documentation at /docs path by default. Both of these features are highly beneficial, not only enhancing developer productivity, but also facilitating the implementation of clean, well-structured, and standardized APIs. FastAPI is good, but do we do it correctly? If not, we miss particular advantages. The goal of this course and upcoming courses is to enable you to take full advantage of FastAPI's capabilities. Some of them we mentioned earlier. Out of those core capabilities, this course focuses on async programming, particularly Python's standard AsyncIO library. We have structured this course into 6 modules. In the first 5 modules, we will focus on async programming without touching FastAPI. That's the right way to build a strong foundation. Once we have good understanding with async programming, we will apply those concepts in FastAPI in module 6. Let's take a look at the course structure to get you more excited. In module 1, we will look into some basic concepts, including concurrency using AsyncIO, event loop, and coroutines. We will also get introduced to async await syntax by defining simple coroutines, and we'll see the difference between blocking and non-blocking code. Module 2 relates to concurrent execution of tasks. We'll use different methods of Python's AsyncIO library for concurrent execution of tasks. In module 3, we will cover async task coordination and the async workflows. We will code a simple producer and consumer workflow, and we will practice AsyncIO queues, logs, semaphores, and AsyncIO events. Module 4 will take us to more practical use cases. We will use HTTPX to do API requests. We will also get in touch with the async file IO using AIO files module. In practice, we often need to work with the synchronous libraries, for example, pandas or gzip, or legacy code that isn't async. We'll learn how to bridge sync code in our async apps. FastAPI uses AnyIO, which abstracts the underlying AsyncIO or Trio implementation. In module 4, we will also get introduced to AnyIO independently of FastAPI. And this will be the perfect time to also start testing using PyTest AsyncIO, which is a PyTest plugin and enables testing of async code. In Module 5, we will learn more task management techniques like canceling the tasks, shielding the tasks from cancellation, handling timeouts, and retrying the failed tasks. And in Module 6, we will explore FastAPI's async architecture. We will discuss ASGI as well. We will develop an async API background task. We will practice FastAPI's dependency injection pattern. We will also learn how to stream large requests and responses. Along the way, we will do plenty of hands-on coding exercises, and I highly recommend following along. We'll also discuss the underlying theoretical concepts as needed throughout the course. All content related to this course will also be available in text form on my website, atifazad.com. I will add the related article link in a video description. Your feedback is always welcome. Feel free to share it in the YouTube comments or on the related article on my website. I am really excited to have you join the course. Let's dive in and make it a great learning experience together. See you in the first module.